Hello guys, Merry Christmas. Now for today, I don't want to make a video for today because all the people are um, like in holidays and people are with family and friends and but understand that a lot of people from all over the world are watching the USA markets. That's why for me, I try to give this information for everyone who is looking for that. Two news. These 2 weeks has changed the market from the correction to the bear market. Now we enter to the bear market, but we will not know until we stay 1 month or 2 or 3 or 4 or more in this correction. If not, if there is, for example, a big reverse because big news or something good, we will never know. But 4 days are left for the year 2018, and we, if God wills, if we're still alive, we finish this year, and you will see. 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, I told you that this year should give us a direction. Right now, it gives us a direction of the bear market, especially these 2 weeks. 2 major news have made an impact on the market. First, it is the interest rate raise. Understand that the Federal Reserve has raised interest rate here in the USA 4 times this year. 4 times. Okay? And it becoming higher and higher and higher. Now, what does it mean? It means a lot of investors feel that if the interest will be going up and up and up, they can find opportunities to buy bonds markets. It means they go all to the bond markets and they buy more bonds. Okay? If they buy more bonds, at least I have 5% or 7 or 6 or 8 or 9 or 10, depending on the bond they buy from municipal city or from the state or from the government, federal government, or whatever is making these bonds. Now, the second event is the partial shutdown of the government because of this wall between Mexico and USA. Okay? And Mr. Trump wants that this wall will be made using around $5 billion. Now he has the approval of the House of Representatives, and because now the Senate, he needs 60 votes to get approval. But right now the Senate is not the majority for the Republican, so they will wait until 3rd January, and the majority will be the Senate, and that's when he can get approved, and he will continue what he is doing. Now this partial shutdown of the government has made more trouble to investors, and they think that in general 2018 they don't make any money, okay, but they lose little money, as you can see, especially these days. And you can just go online and see how much year to date, it means from the beginning of the year till now, how much the market lost. It doesn't lose a lot, but it is still, they don't make money. Okay? And 4 days are left, so be careful from tomorrow, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Monday, which is the 31st. So try to be careful and look daily at 9:30 and afterwards what's going on the market. If the selling short is continuing, you can sell short easily using the ETFs that I use, or you can sell short stocks. You can find any stock and you sell it short if the market is bad. and or you can use options. But understand that at any time you can have a reverse. Okay, it means the market stop going down and a lot of buying. So be careful of that. And you can this can happen at any day, because a lot of shorting, a lot of days, there should be one day or two which is good. This is because the people are buying back their shares to understand what's going on technically. So here I'm not speaking about news, I'm speaking about techniques. When people they sell short either the whole day, at the end of the day the market will go up a little bit because the people will buy back their shares and the stock market will go up in most of the stocks. This technique you can see it, and you can find it in almost all the stocks. But understand that if you are having stocks, be careful. A lot of stocks are losing too much money, 20%, 25%, 30%. Okay, check Facebook, for example, Twitter. Try to see how much they lost this year. They lost a lot from the high to the low. Try to see how much they lost. Okay, so there are a lot of stocks like this, but the majority of the market is going like this. So it is for you an opportunity to make easy money very quick. If this continue to go down these 4 days, it's very easy money. You just check 9:30, 9:45, 10. If everything is collapsing, you just sell short and you can make money. Understand that, take this idea that you want to be the first to sell short and the last to buy back, and then you have the whole day profits. No, in day trading you don't need to do like the stock itself, the high and the low. No, no one is doing that. People are to make sure that the market is red in all the markets, and then at any time you can sell short and you can make money. So it doesn't mean that you should be perfect. There is no perfectness in day trading or any other kind of trading. The most important thing is you make money. That's the main thing. Don't worry about what the other people are doing or what they are saying. Try to focus on your trade. Okay, and you can do like me. You can put a lot of stocks that you want to trade, that you know that they are very volatile. They can go down so fast and go up so fast. These stocks you can make the most. And I have used another technique with some ETFs that they give you the double or triple what the index has been doing. This is very interesting. Okay, you can use it, but use it moderately, because it's very dangerous. Okay, you should understand what does it mean. It means you can double your money. It means the money of the day, or you can double your loss. So be careful. So we will monitor these days until the end of the day. So don't forget the discount that I have given, which is 80%, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.